let me bring my phone, guys. Hello, my people. Hello, everybody. How not they, my beautiful people? Oh, you are welcome. Good morning. Let me check the time first. Yeah, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning to you all, guys. How not they, my beautiful people? How body, how body, how body? Now they hear me. It's like this phone low. I don't know. Now they Abby. Okay, when I me share, guys. I don't know that they hear me. Are you hearing me? Please, if they hear me, write me, I beg. Just say yes. Hello, my people, my people, my people, my people. Yes, it be like you go down. Okay, make it. Look, on, guys, look at. Look on. Make it stay. Okay. Now they see me now, guys. They see me well now, eh? I just come like this more. Okay. Hello, everybody. How my day, my beautiful people. No time to check time, guys. How body, how body, how body, how body, how body. My people. I greet you now so much, my beautiful people. No time to check time. Yes. No time to check time. I greet you now. How na day? I hope na sleep. Although we quick enter today, guys. Yeah, we quick enter. Yes. Yes, so my beautiful people. My beautiful people. How body, how body. I come out and they come out. And they laugh. Hi, beautiful. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, now they hear me. Okay, more than verse. I be come out. I sweep and go one side. So I know they see the comments. So how now day, guys? Please share this video for me, guys. I just need a favor. Try to share this video, my beautiful people, my beautiful lovers. Oh, mommy, oh, mommy, oh, baby. Mommy, hope don't catch me here this morning. How not day, my people? Mommy, hope don't grab me. Oh, good morning, ma. Good morning. You are welcome. Not do well, my beautiful people. Not do well, not do well. Thank you now so much. I appreciate you a lot. Oh yes, this is Vera TV program, and my YouTube channel is Vera TV program, so that anytime, any day, you can follow me on my YouTube. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Oh yes, my people. I greet you now so much. I appreciate you now. Please share this video for me, guys. Please share, guys. So my beautiful people, there's a message I heard. Although we are going to do our advert for this this screen when I buy, is very good and authentic. You understand, guys? So please, we'll do the advert, and if you know you need it, I will send the number. So we get what we want to talk about before they come. Oh yes, guys. When I mean Sharon, oh success, my darling. Success, love, I give you boza. So my beautiful people, I greet to appreciate this Vera TV program in the building. No time to share time. We need to shine. We need to zobobo. We need to look good. We need to look shine, because no time to share time, my people. We need to move forward ever, backward never. We need to glitter and look good, my people. God will continue to bless now. All our beautiful ladies out there, all our beautiful women, God will continue to bless now. All of them, appreciate you a lot. I love you all. I love you so much. Good mothers, responsible women, the iron lady them. I give you actually for I respect you a lot, because it's not easy. I respect you so much. Thank you, my lady. I respect you so much, and I appreciate you all. Yes, because today will be wonderful and select, guys. I appreciate you a lot, my beautiful people. So there's a message I heard yesterday. I'm not here because I don't through yesterday. Before I threw, then somebody sent them. she did YouTube, Mama Gladys. Yeah, Mama Gladys. So she did YouTube, they sort her head, you understand? Sorry, my people. When I not say they did this social media, I maybe they talk, say many of them hold brain, they don't get sense, they don't get everything and winner. Because when you tell them the truth, they will say, that's so success, love, thank you, that's so now. Their brain, many of them, their brain, not they work. Their brain, whether mook or they, me, I don't know. They say they don't hold, they not be more again, but the way they do things, my darling people, in fact, small pikin go can't even get sense past them. But when you try to advise them, to tell them what to advise them, to tell them the right thing, they will be against you, they will be angry of you, they will vex for you, like say you be their enemy. When I understand, my people, Angel, you are welcome, thank you, my lady. You understand? You go to vex them. You understand? You go to vex them because when you tell them the truth, you go to pain them for body, you go to make them the vex, you go to make them the vex. But that will not concern me, my beautiful people, because they always they pain, they always they stretch them for body. You understand? When people say they don't mature, they don't grow, they don't mature, even their children said they also carry grand picking, but they know they get that sense. Say there are some things when the be say it go on. There are some things when the be say they go do. When the be say they know say this thing no good, but they will not accept it. They will not like. They will not like. They not go like to respect. They not go like to do the right thing at the right time. Okay, like that old one now, the movie now, all those old people now, are we the one to advise them? Now we be people we be say would they advise them? I been they're supposed to they advise us to tell us this one good or this one not good. Because I thought say I'm like this, oh, you don't be past all those things. There are some things you need to work out. There are some things you don't need to listen to. There are some things you ignore. He said, which matter Tato she go the insult herself. You understand? Because now you understand. No say she done this is there for YouTube. You not there for her. She don't see where spread like this thing. Whether lama when they see period they call her. You are welcome. You understand? Whether na lama when they see period and they call her, not no for her. She just they talk nonsense, they nyama pata. Okay, you they insult people. This woman Nigeria, she know they go. They come out, they insult of Baika, they are too, they insult themselves. You they call that why they day. Of course. That one not supposed to deny her. You don't dare abroad for how many years? Gladys no go out. Gladys never since make you visit Nigeria since how many years when you take their social media. Or manjo why? You know they go out, but if you see who go, they use cause the bad day. If you do go say Nigeria no good. If you do all Nigerians when they Italy, this woman don't bring many of them down. He don't bring plenty of them down because why? He they vex, he they pain her for body because who even send all those who make it call you. So you don't need to insult me. You understand? Because I don't know what you want. You understand? Because who they tell the truth now, they don't want it, they vex the injure for body, they don't like it, and which is very, very bad. And what they like, when they come, because they expose their nyash, they tell people, say, no, you don't need to follow this kind, you don't need to listen to what some people are saying on social media, especially all those set of people when I just mentioned. No, because they don't want me you go straight, they don't want me you know the right thing at the right time. They first want me you waka, turny around, first they twist, they waka up and down. Now that's what they want, my people. So we don't need to fall, we don't need to fall with it, we don't need to go use body. To go use body, take rub all those kind of people because why? They don't like truth. You understand me? As a responsible people, they are when they say, okay, they be adults, they don't grow, they don't mature. They need to know what is good at the right time. They need to know what is good. They need to advise people, tell people what it be say it go make sense, what it be say it go good, what it be say it go make people move forward, what it be say. Can you imagine? There's not be small word. They are two. They saw themselves. But that one may do video. He say no cause. He say matter of this thing because you know one thing for this social media. When you they do something, they go call. They will first be the person to call criticize and say what they do no good. Though. Now yet thing they do what they do no mature. It no good. Not do am again. But later on, they will be the person that will do it most. They will be the person when you go do and pass you. But now the first come and say what they do no good. Now the first come say what they know what you know when they do so. What they do not make sense at all. What they do so you know you're good. At the end, they say this what they call an orphanage. Now it cause problem between them. Yes, orphanage. Now I give them wahala. Now I give them. Now it cause quarrel between them. The time when what they call him? John Osaigi, when he do orphanage that time. Now the offer come and say not good though. The orphanage not good though. What you create not good though. What you do not good though. This one not good though. That one not good. But at the end, there will be the person that will call they do the thing most. There will be the person when he go call they do and pass you. So now what it cost we say since how many years? Since 4 years ago, now they don't worry about the issue. Now she still bring her come again because she full of bringing word, bringing matter, or top matter. Her matter not the finish. And one A4, you understand? And one A4, it matter not the finish at all. You understand me? If they like to they bring her, they like to they bring her, they like to they bring her, they like to they bring her. May for they use and cause problem, may for they use and cause wahala, may for they use and it doesn't make sense. You understand? It doesn't make any sense. If they vex people, that kind of way they do so, it's not good. You understand me? Because why they don't want the truth. Because when you are saying the truth, if they eat them for body, if they pepper them for body, if they shop them for body. As old as there is, what did they do for social media? If you do and you ain't new condo, say, what do you know what they do? What do you know what they do? What do they do so it's not good? What do they do so it's not good? What do they do? Whereas they will be the one to do it tomorrow. They will be the one to do and when they go even do and pass you. Look how they take the life for social media now. Fine, nobody will not the lie. Nobody if you see look at the presenter, many of us they live fake life. But at a time, we see no responsible people. We see they talk truth. We see they live good life. We see they live responsible life. Oh, Miss Joanne, you are welcome, my lady. Good morning, man. Good morning. You are welcome. You understand? You go the verse there of which they don't want me. They tell you the truth. You understand? They don't go want me. They tell you the truth. Lie. They want me you mislead. You understand? They don't want the truth. They want me you go the miss road. Fed the waka. Thank you. Thank you. You do too much. Thank you. They want me the miss road up and down. So like this, you don't need to insult me. Not carry your own, come face me because you own there your body. You understand? I not cause you for video when I do. I only tell you the truth because you don't like truth. You understand? You don't like truth. So when person tell you truth, they vex you for body. Fine, you senior me. You don't even the bop picking when you don't almost they reach me. But I don't want to talk to you. You understand me? Make everybody they do you. But when you see the truth, when you say still no, you say you get orphanage. May you still they respect yourself for once because it's very, very important. You understand me? Because they don't like truth. Just look at what they do up and down. Now, insult now don't fool everywhere. So then now they put their picture. They use their name, they sing for social media. Because they don't want to tell us the right thing. That one go come outside, go lie. This one go come outside, go lie. The other one go come outside, go lie. The other one go come outside. Mommy hope, leave that idiot. The son and come. Now your papa ask and the mama ask now I did now. Go carry me enter sister, your mama, your papa ask now I did. Haters. And also as I did, and it don't verse you. It verse you, they pain you. Because now you get my platform. Now your papa, your mama has now I did. You understand? Or the internet when they use now your mama, your papa now they pay. Or your generation now they pay. You understand? You don't need to control anybody. If you dey person platform, you don't like what they talk, you waka comot. That useless money. Don't waste your time for that useless shit goods. Like say I can't borrow money. I don't owe anybody money. I know the whole person money. Chichi, you know my head. You understand? Can you imagine if you talk? No, they're not them. Some of those useless comments, I will be saying some of them don't frustrate. Now, some of them even they cause the problem because they don't like truth. As I talk and they eat for body, they vessel. You understand? They not even send them or go carry on that person matter for her. They talk no sense. Like say now your mama, your papa has idea. Wait till the movie they do now when they do now good. But if now me do it because Vera on the lad, they'll come outside those haters. They'll come outside with the shots. They'll come outside, they'll begin to scream like say you borrow money for their hand. But as if this old fool now, as they tell they fool themselves now, nobody, you know, she say that they clap and follow. The movie now, so they take clap and follow 2018. When 2018, 2019, go drink water for Oba Palace. Now, so they take clap and then they do saga continue. Now, a old man go they open leg for junction. They use that, they knock order of leg. They say, "Iyak better way." When Maggie you get to work better, oh, wait, Iyak better way. Iyak better way. Thank you, my lady. Eh, young better we not we make better we kia. We make better we kia when I your boss they use how they wallow your cassava, they come on all your video, not small children now. That they use until they learn up and down. That they use the movie video till they learn. Now, so you do that time that they clap on for a night. They say saga continue. If they happy, if they jolly. If you don't see for second problem, just now. All those people when they call. Now one man ask and that they said the movie. When you want to do something that day, when you want to do birthday, when you want to do better thing. No, they not call you like this. Nobody even know whether you they exist. You call the carry phone, they call them. They not great call for your party. But you don't they say saga continue now they shout now. All of them now don't they koko. When it dey problem that day, now one man say when it dey problem when it for Nigeria. Now people when Eddie Murphy no expect now help Eddie Murphy when they talk to this so. You know Murphy face when he can't go the be say Murphy face now this now that Murphy face he say know how much he donate when he go give up for Nigeria. All the people like this when he carry matter like this say not be tafia kiju no not here at that time. Like this say not be tafia kiju. I say you may go Nigeria, not be one shop money now make your throat longer. Go shop with you one kiju. Not be so glad this talk. When you go through what we call the fine help, nobody to help. And even genocide. When she be say, the movie go sit down, sometimes you go see the trauma they give genocide. Now genocide see help and that time when they dey Nigeria, they lonely, nobody to near her. Now genocide call even they carry on the near body, they follow the snap picture, they follow the play. Make you not go hang yourself, may not go commit suicide. May not go commit suicide. Now genocide gay. Now call the follow by the movie the waka. At the end, now you know they remember all those one again. If you don't say saga continue, you go start to the chat. They don't they clap on. Hey, pa continue. Hey, pa continue. Many of them when they say continue, if you all fall for one chance vehicle now, none of them will come and say, let me come and rescue this man. That time they'll say, now wait till you find I see. All of them will not piate. They go run away from him. As old as that man is, you they say, make me enter house. You know if you come on, go tell that old man make him enter house. Or make him still respect. He say, old man go, you do video, they shout. Where children dey? Wetin woman no go even do? Where children dey? Old man go, you they shout. 50 years old man, be 70 years old man. Eh? He go, you they shout, go, you they holler like say, they remove this thing. Eh? He go, you they shout. Now, so it take do it, take fall for problem. You understand? No, if I leave that one, Rita, that one, Rita Matana, it don't finish now. You understand? Rita Mata they finish. That one a person. You understand me? So all those ones they say enter house. Now those ones now supposed to go test make it enter house. All those ones when they say they don't take, and two they don't still hold. Eh? They know they shame. They don't hold. If you look many of them for social media, you because he get mad, they talk to me, not be the read how they talk. That one, I get that they talk on me. They know you they talk that one only again. That one, you're finished. See all her face, all do rako. Yagi rako. You understand? As old as they are, they'll say social media, I want to get peace. You not get peace when they get. Because when the adults and all the old men and the old women, they don't feel arrange something, they don't feel put something in order. They don't feel talk waiting, be say, it go enter people here. To even advise the young ones. Understand? Make it pursue them. If you go pursue them, my lady, make pursue them. You understand? They don't go come in, they go advise the young. You know, there are sometimes when we say, small people do something when it's not good. You young person, elderly person, when you reach there, you go advise. And you go tell them, say, this kind of thing don't make sense, so don't do like this again, don't do like this again, we'll set one like this. They all not be like that. Now, even this man, when he did America, now he can't even be, I say, call difference more now. What they call that that short man, that man will not too tall when they America. Iranomigo. Now that one can't even get sense past the movie. That one you see the respect he said. Because why Iranomigo see they go walk. Or winner Eddie Mufiji winner. 50 years old man, yo. What total saga continue every day. He get passport, he gets passport. So people when you come yesterday, the government they support them. Even when he doesn't get passport for how many years, now government still they carry them, they go. Mona asked the movie where he should. The movie 2 children, be 3 children. You know they where the movie there for them. Shebi when this boy movie face come talk and they say movie face they like when one woman come outside talk and say not be lie yo. Now truth movie face they talk. He know where the children they when they call they talk at that time. Say the children there where government put them. They're not going to give the movie another house because the old children don't grow. They're supposed to get their own room. The boys when they don't grow they will get. The small one will get, and only that girl will get their own room. All of them they stay in one room and they don't they big. They go they fight. This one will say in my room. That one will say in my room. This one will say in my room. And when be say so fake or and all the shit from Nigerians, they get 3-bedroom flats. If now girls go there one side, boys go there one side, husband and wife go there one side. More than ask at the movie. One room and parlor and another room. They don't fit pack all the children for one room. If now boys, even boys, they don't they grow. Not be small children. If now small children, they go. One time, he said in the fine house, for Dusseldorf, I be Duisburg close to Bahnhof. As they not great giver. Because you not great work. Why? All the say when you don't fall, put all the money when you don't sign. If you work, you not go see money. She. So when they bother where they where yeah more. You understand? Now make the not see house. They not give house, but you know the work who want the pay. Now the government talk come say, share na children. You say they not see chance. Now they carry the children. They go put them for another place. Then the children they come there now. The children don't they stay there. If you still talking now, the children don't stay there. Then they come only the girl and the small one and they there with the movie. Now you see the social media and the open leg. One of your children not there with her as a man. If now woman now they shout but see man now for abroad, you know they responsible. You know they relevant. Oma they responsible. Oma they responsible. For abroad though, children they one side, mama and papa they one side, son they one side. But if now woman now they say the woman don't know itself, they begin to saw the woman. Am I negbe? Not be mother. He not deserve to be mother. See father now not he not deserve to be a father. He's on social media madding every day. The other one is madding. The other one they mad. Oh no where Gladys they cry now. They know they talk of Lolekia. That one opu toto. That one know your first they go ass. That one now Gladys and Lolekia. They are the same bed flies together. Bed with the same feather flows together. They be the same. Lolekia, ejowa, ejugbo, ejogo. Since how many years now abroad the day. But if you see who go, he go the verse. If you see say you go, he go the verse. Now be say money we take the buy KFC and pizza. You know go reach and take buy ticket oh. Who get 1,000 euro with children? Alright, it is your wow. That good or buy small thing for bag, something and rich body. He go fit go aso. But when they see who go, they will diverse. See Gladys. Because of my card Nigeria now, he diverse. My card go as now, something go do for us, so even though they no mind every time she they go Nigeria. Gladys, you know they go. Useless to like toto, popo toto, you know they go as. But if you see say you go as, you go say, what are they doing there? It's rubbish. Now lie yo, it they pay now. Mona ask like this, that they pursue one for that Nigeria. You get money, marry you, but no see carry children, go your children don't grow, but you go still visit. Mona ask like this, and Lolekia, why they know they go Nigeria? In fact, why they know they see say, okay, may they see Waka this day. They see Waka 2 days, 3 days. All of them go reach this our sister, we still top for the matter where that day, Meriedos. That one they go ask. Meriedos is a joke. The useless, most useless people. Now, Gladys and useless Lolekia only enjoy. But if you go, you go the vessel. If you waka, you go the vessel. If you go, you go the vessel. Gladys never visit. Now, where Gladys will go? Mona go tell her where, you know they go. But if you go, you go the course, you say, you don't see money use, blah, 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 blah. You understand? You understand me? They're not, you don't go. You sit down for how many years? It better pass on without being told, my dear. Is it better only one show? You go see, go do something, go see, go visit, go see. Like this. If you ask wetin see make and defend, because say that one go house o. Not be say British Okpai carry get wetin you do like this o. Now jealousy because you're jealous. Now jealousy you're the worry and see you carry matter for it now. You're the shout ooh. Jealousy. Now they worry. You don't feel go. Not be say you don't feel. I don't know why. I know they go house o. Your children don't grow. Your 3 children they don't. No but momo. How much was say if you don't carry and go they give her breast, it go disturb you for road. That one not there. But for her to go, please share this video, guys. Let me share my beautiful people. But for her to go, it hard. You don't want to go. But if they insult person, you as old woman, they insult small pikin. For you to avoid, for you to respect yourself, you they insult. Like this, say now juju bridges go do for village. You dey hear? I said not be small quarrel between British Okpaika and Gladys. You know here, he said now juju. Now go everybody will go Nigeria, they do juju. Now they see why you know go still go do the juju since now British Okpaika and juju that one go do for Nigeria. When are they here? He said now juju he go do. May you say go do the same juju. You still go and do the same juju. Make people still see. Jealousy. In the verse say that one day Nigeria. Share this video, guys. In the verse say Paika day Nigeria. And everybody when you go Nigeria they do juju. They do juju. Now jealousy, my darling people. It's jealousy. Nothing like they need to turn. You don't need to turn. It's jealousy. Because why that one is in Nigeria. Paika better pass you like this. Where they are jowa. See they go house. You borrow you both. I cannot just say maro you both. I maro you both. No why I derieke backwards. Or why I derieke. I usual. Thank you, my lady. Thank you for sharing, Joe. You know, Gladys no go house. My people. Gladys no go house. If they say Okpaika go to juju, who go Nigeria? You go. Before you go, they say the juju. Maybe people still write for a platform. So you say Okpaika go do juju. You go Nigeria when you call cash for abalisas when you call those na juju you go do. All those are called jealousy. Now so they be. Agmo fear of fear mieki. Life don't throw as how they call them. Agmo fear. You go do juju. Now juju Okpaika go to. You not go. That means if you go now Babalawo has you go sleep. And when that one go do juju, I own is even more better than you. Because who go house say go do juju. Now you know why you go do juju. You not call do juju for your name. You not call your house, call do juju. Say Gladys come. You want to do juju for your head. Or tie. You they see more. That's why they spoil person, no. And that one do video. That one say no talk to Gladys. So he say Gladys, you're ibelefu, you're the cousin. He say when you take go Nigeria, Gladys, you're the cousin. Whether it is say no go here, you no. Now don't take come outside do video. Say make Gladys respect herself. As old as you are. Either good or bad, Okpaika senior you. If you are Okpaika stand, Okpaika still better pass you. We see no say Okpaika all day, but we turn him married you. They are talking me. No, we say it's still too perfect. But at the time, we respect it. If you see say it's still too much, you go see enter house. All the Gladys say la wa. You and the monkey and useless to look la wa. Shame and disgrace. The movie now wait to go drink chocolate water. You no gree go house again. Where the movie go to Emily J, you are welcome, my darling. Where the movie go to drink chocolate water, Marijo wa ole. When if you see head, because we not say when the movie go Nigeria, that be don't turn bad for Nigeria. It be don't turn bad for Nigeria, my people. No be clear eye. When if you can see head, please call me, please. Yeah, if you want to call, you want to call. Yeah, my number is here now. Although I not write my number. You got my number. If you want to call, my number there. You understand? When they go take drink chocolate water, now, you know say it spend like almost 3-4 months. You know see her take come out and now God. Now God call save her. This our brother wanna cause now. Dionosagi. Now he call see help. Oh my tell me we are not we in Nigeria. Now that one I call helper when the coffee see head stay rock come up for Nigeria for those state. Thank you. Oh, Miss Joanne, thank you. Miss Joanne, don't write my number. Come if you need my number, you want to contribute. Yeah, you don't write my number. Thank you, my big mommy. Thank you, mom. You understand? He not fit Almighty Jowa. When didn't fit come for Nigeria? He don't go Nigeria. He don't the fear. Nigeria don't be like well to no mubieka. Almighty Jowa. Oh, I give more the fear. The movie called the fear. Called the fear bogo. Share this video out, guys. He called the fear bogo like baby. Almighty Jowa. We see no say before that one be see the go. But who you call was past when me you they talk about now? Now it be a lolekia. Like this. You are insulting who go Nigeria say go do juju. Oh, the Rita when it is whether this is when Rita come abroad. Not just say Rita self does he go. Now they don't be like now in plenty water they wait for her. Because the move from very well we watch in Nigeria. Gamali 20, they'll you give you Gamali 50 drink. Because this one where they do now they open leg. Saga continue. Young better this if you know your take time, what would be watching in Nigeria? You don't what because with your hold you don't your shame you for ground. It's okay. No fair they follow you go ass. It's okay. No fair they follow you go. And I don't want me to the pity of the movie. You know, see when you go through water that is okay. They are abroad there. They Germany here. They shout, "Ooh, what the what put that for me? Oh, poor oh, it's okay. Wait so that for now because anything make your husband drink. The one they will give an gamali 30, gamali 40, gamali 50. Anything they give your husband gamali drink. Or for otapia only you give me you know this one now. They see D-Grand. Yeah. Oh yeah, you got no choice. Oh yeah. Oh now where powerful naked. You say you be doing that they you know they rake for social media now. When small people can't put your trouser epa umemea. Epa what social media you know umemea. You know they talk that one again no. When small people say epa you crazy. Come on put your trouser. EGV. Boss na they beg. They be once he put a pie the movie a bossa. Me lagbo loko dik. Me baba is okay baba no you go take the competition say o moto ye no na see our pikin abeg una no naked to finish. A pa they go palace go wear white and white. Shift way not be. You come where white and white, all the buga they go. See region like the same pa. I don't get straight to la. As he reach pala like they say, hey pa kiewu, hey pa pull your clothes by yourself. Hey pa what they turn like this, they say pa, you respect yourself oh. Not be social media. Hey yeah. Put your slipper, put your shoe. Nah, pa be one they turn like this. Nah, I told the kabaka say, "Hey, pull up." Oh, ja. Nah, pa be they call the blow. If you see trumpets, original trumpets with the blow for no. If ruru, we call the blow. You not me trumpets. The original trumpet with all this money back. You don't see forget all those mess. No. My people. If when they talk, now they say, if no be smart here, we be one fair beat you like small picking. Small picking call the control. Oh yeah, pull your slippers. He say, "Wala, I beg." Now they say, I beg for what? When you they disgrace us is there for social media, you don't know say I go meet you. Because they do like this. My people, if I want, now if you do any other, I'll go dig the video, come and say, where Payash come be like this. A Payash come be like Frappa. Oh God. I not get straight. If you see bossa wear power, you get us say you wear, you don't go get a tear bossa. Now, K, they don't give you 1K, try the bossa go off a pew. That go say, You know where Tete boss I go there. I went to watch the Tete boss I watch the movie. All where they were for. They do cat now they deceive and go there. They say, you know, when person to get logatro, they not call you with phone, say, call take shift title. They not invite you, say, now so they go call take shift title. They call ten and say, buy the movie, not go palace. Oh. They call movie face say he call. Movie face say as he hear the rumor say they won't use the movie drink Gamali 40 and 50. He call and say, pa, where you dey? Hey, pa, abeg. Hey, pa, the movie no go palace. He say, anyway, she a more bad picky. He say bad picky. You know, you say they say make I go take shift title. They say make I not go take shift title. That's what I say. Now, information when I you get, you don't get the shift title when you want go take. Oh God, if movie face they talk to the laugh go wacky you. He say asa, Mona asa whether me not tell us make it not go palace. He say they don't call us make out a shift title. He you they go then I go make a wear if na look am. If I say na white and white, he you not go there. Hey, buy the movie. In your cock. In your one with be the kind dressing when he dress. My people. He could dress. He got the waka gube. As he reach there, they say you don't call with her. You don't call. He say yes. Then they say you go once. I say go one side for waiting. No, I say make I got the shift that too. Before you know, don't say they don't arrange yourself on one side. Then they say, buy the movie. Who cares somewhere? Buy the movie. Musician, they will want play for you free of charge. Time to dance or reach your tongue. Oh my God. Life walking me. Time don't reach your dance. Dance, now dance was me I call dance where they say me you could dance. The dance you go see on your now. Then they can't go one happy and then they say yeah today now your day. You come here you know they go free. You're not going. You will never remain the same of coming here. Then they say and the movie go see the talk. Better way. Walk better way here. They say, all enemy don't get so for Toto. No, do you fair get so for Brocos? The kind so when you get for Brocos, nobody don't get that kind so for social media. All that body one man, when they reach there, they can go corner. He said, yeah, not be shift title. If I bought loud a bepa, are you okay? Now they say, yeah. Or medabia that they call the people. So yeah, all the instruments want to arrange one viola. He say one never could one arrange. Now they say you wait, you go see yourself. You relax. We are begging. The time they say yeah, put your clothes. Get cute more. You know what they put now they knock off on your the newborn baby. As they load up on your now because he say oh, man, not be joking, not be joking. Now they tell us say, now bit will be one fair mash you before you will call drink this water. But they don't beg. No say another they beg. So we not go beat you. Wait till you go do now. Pull all your cloth by yourself. Attention, pull it clothy. The movie get where I move. Let's share the cashew. Now you be the first egg you will fake better for Brocos. Una ya one man amogodo. Una ha enwo. Iyare. Iyare moto. You can begin the turn. Blocky. That's all. Yeah. The worst parts. They say they even return the juju self. Now let God know because you know why. When you do something when people say they do now fear but I no go fear agree say I talk like that because our kingdom is a place they say before they use a parable say if you if you swear for, if you insult where you not supposed carry mat go. So when they call you there, you don't need to say I don't really like that with proudness. But what he's supposed to do, he's not supposed to deny flat. You for say, see what they accuse you of, and they show on the video. He go say, I dey fear. I not do, but I dey fear to talk the truth. He do, but he not do again. Now what you for talk? No, we say, I not do ka. He take ta, he marry ta. This say it all say, I be talk, I not talk again. Therefore, not use a pie, the movie te swear. He can say, big, they can't bring the video, say, not be you be this. He deny totally. He say, not be him. So, that means, you not see fear. What he supposed to say in our traditional culture, is supposed to say, that people, I beg. Mona no verse. I be talk. I not talk again. You understand? I be. It don't be. I be. But not be when you know, say they know you crow, say the thing you do. And he called they deny. Now they say, oh yeah, I paid the movie. They ask her whether 2-3 times now. I say, the mumu, you talk, are you guilty or not guilty? He say, lie, you ma guilty. Are you guilty or not guilty? Or we you ma guilty? You talk, I be not talk. He say, lie, he not talk. That's okay. Now, many people don't know the reason why he swear that oath, that juju. He could have said, I be talk, I not talk again. I be talk, imagita, it take time, magita. I be talk, I not talk again. You understand? They will not temper justice with mercy. They will say, okay, he be say he be talk, but he not talk again. Oh, thank you, Rose, my lady. Thank you, Rose Johnson. Thank you. He will say, I be talk, I not talk again. I beg, mona not verse. You understand? Then they will come say, okay, he don't deny it. Fear don't cash him. He say he be talk, he not talk again. But for it to say he not talk at all. Where did he make I go through water? Because of Iyore. Now because of Iyore one of Paris, where they are to take get problem. Now be waiting at the tell the movie all the time. I don't say like me when they tell them the truth, that they always hate me, that they vex for me. You know, so it take carry one matter, carry. Now Iyore matter. Now it go drink water. Yes. You for never drink water. Iyore matter, now it take drink water. When body take cash, it can't go Nigeria. This say not go Nigeria, maybe all those things go for over. If na person when they hear what, even when it did Nigeria, when they tell and say, no go palace. The movie reject all the advice when he get for friends and well-wishers, all of them. Oh, now we all work. She said he said he go there. I take go. As he go there, when they call answer, for him to say, I be talk, I not talk. He got to say, he not talk anything. He say, he not talk anything, my people. So now they take kind of swear that juju. And when they call you that swear, okay, if they say they return, because that kind of thing go dey difficult to return. It will be so difficult to return because you know why? He do something, deny, say he not do. For it to add down to 2 places, say, I be do, I not do again. I be talk, I not talk again. My he not put her for trouble. He be talk, but he not talk again. They don't know if he can swear for her. I don't for tell use and swear. They don't know if he use and swear again. Because he don't put that respect, say, I be talk, fear, homie, I be talk, I not talk again. Wala ho, I beg, my brothers and sisters. I beg. I be talk, I not talk again. God forbid battle. No be me, You understand? When I see some people when mat pursue, when mat drag, when they be go use their mat, they say drink water. So lucky say never quit, they drink water. Wait till they talk. They say, I be talk, I not talk again. That is the secret. I be talk because not be where you suppose carry your mat go, of which you know quite all right how that place be. They come. Hello. Hello, guys. I will do you. In your real life video with Facebook. What go. What a go. You know time where you are. Hello. Uh. Okay. Okay. Okay, Oma. Okay. All right. Okay. You understand? He go say I talk, I not talk again. Eddie Murphy, he no agree talk the truth. So people when their man carry they go where not supposed carry they go. They say I be talk, I not talk or not be me. You don't know when it talk, I'm God forbid. You know, quickly remove am. Quickly remove am for her. The matter it take time magita. That's the secret. Because they call the talk say they returner, they returner. Me, I don't really know what they return for them, my people. Let to be frank and sincere because now you use the math swear. Now you use the math. They ask a question when they swear. And the movie we are going return a bone, no way talking. If you think say they return that, did you let them return? I don't really know. Because now you really use your math, they swear. You know the real ogboge. You can't use your math, they swear. Now they cut the pie, the movie pa. Oh yeah, pull your trouser. A pa call the turn left and right. Oh yeah, pull on. Now they call begin the tell the pa. Oh pa, oh yeah, start to the drink. Now they call begin the drink all the ingredients. They go turn and put. They go do all the they made all the cantation. A pa call begin the hack blue. If you want call the throw, that's no. That one not full. Oh yeah, use and fetch another one. Enough full. A pa call begin the fashion. He call begin the car parker. A park begin a fashion. Hack blocker. Now they say you must drink a belly for a pub belly. And the movie belly can be like go to a drink garri water. Come make me your call. Me your callistic. Me your cololo. A pie the movie come a belly come make me your hey. And they don't give her, they don't use a hologram finish for inside the palace there. Now they naked down. They see the kind of finish when they swear, no slippers for leg. One of the still they talk. No slippers, nothing. They call no wahala. No slippers for leg, my people. Now it do they call do finish, they call carry pa. They call the polo and they go outside. They don't even let them wear slippers. They don't let them wear that shirt. Now so it take come up for inside the palace there. The portion will come outside. Now they go call no Joshua when he reach where go wear. Now they go call no Joshua when they park or reach when the coffee wear a cloth. Now they go know the Joshua, my beautiful people. So see person when see they come outside they talk. The video still there now. How are you pay? Because it never expire. Awaye pe puru awak pe ena na mi ugbe Jesus baba ne baba di movie di baba ne baba guru oh yeah paka alele pika oh yeah na ite paka na easy call the talk na say this one do this one na so that one do that one na so ite do holo gala holo. When you take go drink water for Nigeria, all those one clap for that. Carry on, continue, carry on. He can't go drink water. He doesn't start the second one again. The one when he swear, they say na 3 years. Because some people they talk about they hear who they say he never come out. That one when he go swear, so say he never come out for his body. Some people say they fall for a sack boy, like might go way overripe. Booey. They say they can't fall when they fall, eh? If you did the area, you go to see a tree now for. They say fall the movie they fall for his house. Why you not go fall? Because the juju must walk. My people, why the movie not go fall? Juju the air to be a war. It don't expire. It never expire anything. Make they not deceive anybody. The juju, he never has come up for a body. He just sit there with a ransom. Anywhere the movie go, he go with you. Anywhere you headed, he headed with you. If you now look the way the movie content they do something now, you not supposed to say the juju that they near to do he permanent work. If you now look at the movie well now, you now say if they do before, But the one way call they do now, they know where they do. The thing, if it because now the social media affect put her for problem. Now the social media affect make her take drink water. So he still there in blood. So if you don't enter that social media, Facebook live, the spirit they call say do more, so that you not drink among 50 and 70. So if you don't dey front of camera, the spirit they push, oh yeah, do more. My hair because the one way drinking never expire for important. So if now look at the way they say one time they pick skin and snake when they pick on. Oh, I not get straight to laugh. They say one time when they say what make her go for saying a pastor. They say they pick skin and snake they pick on that. They say call the pili skin. So for live video they call the ass and say, hey, pa, what did they pee your skin? Oh, I not get straight to laugh. They say I call the ass and say, hey, pa, the movie. What bolo was skinny? Who were bolo skinny? Skinny and were here. But bolo boy, clap for yourself. He said they call the ass and say, pa, don't be so you be bio. Hey, pa, you don't change, oh. Hey, pa, your skin the pillow. He said go do like say, don't see the comments. He goes up carry a pastor. They say that's something make a joy pastor. They say that's something make a movie is joy pastor. They say body call the pee like snake. You know no snake if you don't hold on body kwa. You call the pee or your face call the pee first come tolo. They say the movie call the pee skin and say skinny or bole ski quoi. What is it? No yana bole ski. What is it? When you don't know crow say what you do. You not supposed to I supposed to bolo ski. It's supposed to bolo ski. You understand? You the Chris, God punish you. You wear the toss, so you even get 50 view. Ta! You don't know when I open this my page. Now YouTube nowadays is if I did Facebook, it will be 1,000 views. Shut up your mouth there. Which day I come back to Facebook and say they get view, they Chris. You when they talk, if you enter live, you're not going to even get 10. Who give one? So my people, I done the Facebook 90 this year, and I see me for Facebook. Now come back, the Chris. Your way to your be real, stay, your stand by. The day when I go really get them, not be only come up for social media, you must die. The water, you know go be water. Now chop pen, now they go blow for you. You swell up, wow, wood, you have over here. Not to know, make you swell up that. The Chris. Just let me the social media since 2018. I don't say by now for that be months on Facebook. I'm on YouTube. I don't monetize to YouTube. Stupid. I'm a pure YouTuber, okay? So as I come back to Facebook, maybe you don't know me before. This is my page now. My page don't hold. No, I don't open my page. I know they do video then I make them. So my people, they won't call distract me. Now you're my beautiful people. Now so you tell do a pa no green here word. They say a pa skin called a P. They say now something make a pa start pastor. They talk I'm hearing. They say now something make a the movie start pastor. Say maybe the tea don't the water cause the way they say it can't take the fall. They say it don't the fall for his house. So he can't they look and say maybe God will, maybe God's side with as in maybe God's side go feel help him. Or if he fall say he repent, he don't be pastor, maybe all those things go leave him. You understand? Maybe they dream a bad dream, or you know they sleep well, or they get some. Yeah, because definitely he must get all those things for body. Normal, it's like that. Because now you use the hand take draw. So before you go come they talk now again, you need to see hide of it. Because when you don't enter that live video, a panel they know what they do again. A panel go the share the worst part. It's so kind of when you wait a pie, you feel like wow. It's okay, go the background, go the top put. As I shower the then again, boy, Africa last day they do. That one lie, say no see passport, say booklets, no day. Oh my yes, school me to come the war. Booklet, no day, whereas, Mona go check online today, no, every day. Everywhere good. You understand? You understand? Whereas, now lie. So for him now, to respect himself, for him now to cool down. Because they say that thing, now 3 years. They say that thing, that water will go through, so now 3 years. So what Eddie try to do, supposed to do now, he really need to give his life to God. Not be coming back, saga continue. Yes, I don't tell life the one that causes saga continue. Nobody fit do saga with me because I go use that person like rag. So me not they come as I call the road. So I'll continue because now like this me go take they give you small, me go they die slowly. You understand? So me not fit come outside as I all day like this, I say saga continue. Am I a baby? Person when they come outside and saga continue. You understand? the person who support that truth, make it stop her. They not agree go those haters. Don't be my lovers, the good people. They don't go tell the movie. Say the movie you need treatment, you need care, you need to rest. Is still coming out the second time again, and because of something that make her be pastor. Waiting this view go cause for some people body. When I buy the movie, not come and say saga continue. If they get 200 view. But it not there social media, not come out for Facebook. Oh. But me, I not there Facebook then. I not there Facebook then. They YouTube, they did there with my 3 channel on YouTube. In their Facebook, they see they do pastor. If they get 400, 500, when they do pastor, more will talk truth. Now, because of this view, if I put out for problem, they go drink Gamali 50. Now, I see they put out for problem, see they go so when you want to see enter. Because it don't they used to run. Not be me when they sit down like this and suffer, they talk, they analyze my matter. Now my content I see they create so. And they advise. Me, I know if you come on and say, hey, saga continue. That's straight when me want to share, say saga continue. Now 5 videos, now me want use and prepare, wait for that person. So I don't need to first say, come and say, hey, pull leg, hey, gang better, when it's on. You say enemy, they don't get stuff for TOT, they don't get stuff for Nyash. You when you come on go do water, you not get stuff for TOT. You not get stuff for brokers. Among everybody, and if I get stuff for brokers, because that thing when you go take, he pass so hop saga. And the water when he drink 2 years ago, you never feel because they say the year never correct. And if you know, if you be say, the movie not very the 4 before, he called the 4 now very bad. If you be say no fair the 4 before you call the 4 now, no good. Now really bad sickness. Okay, guys. Now really bad thing. If you be say no fair the 4 before you call the 4 now, that means the thing don't they work. Is really working. So they need to really tell her, they need to really advise her, make you not do this thing because it's not good. You understand me? It's not good like that again, my people. Please share this video out, guys. My people, share, my beautiful people. For that return when the days, I don't want to get shame for her. You don't get shame. They go do the cost person, make why their own, their body, their own, they smell. For them to even advise a pirate movie, his wife, so okay, they carry phone, they call for Lolo platform. They got to say, we not go know their voice. Why we not go know our voice? Eh? Husband and wife go, they destroy. Wife go, they destroy for you. Husband go, they destroy for you. Wife go, they destroy for you. Husband go, they destroy for you because of how much. Because of how much. Husband and wife, they destroy for both sides because of small money. Because of cheeky change. This one go lie. Tomorrow go beg. The other one go lie. Next tomorrow go beg. The other one go lie. The other one go beg. They will call they do. I say, make I tell you. I say, make I tell you secret. When secret you they talk. Eh? If you reach for what they swear put now, wait till at their boy. Eh? I say, make I tell you, beware of this person, no. Don't let the person know say na me tell you. Softly, hide your face, oh. That person a demo, he want kill you, or he dey plan evil for you. Be careful. Also wanna be gossip. Also wanna really true something. Why you not both come outside talking the way it's supposed to be? You are hiding. Eh? Eh? They hide up and down. They hide. You understand? They don't want to tell her the truth. They are hiding. But me when they talk truth now, you go defense them for body because why? Many of them don't like truth. You understand? Many of them, they don't like truth. Because when as I they talk and they verse them. No. Before I go see go enter one chance. The one when the dead body on my info, you never finish. If you see the way that matter they do, hey, social media want catch fire. Social media want catch fire. You know go fit catch fire. As social media want to catch fire. If your phone come too hot, you go bust your broadcast. Or you bust with authentic one. Because now your phone go suffer and now your computer go suffer. Not be Facebook owner. Go call suffer and go call the cry. No. Eh? Lolekia de Liki Toto, Opu Toto, Rita, Gladys. All of them, they gang up. Gangi. Rita, when you don't go ask last, if you ask Rita now, Rita never go ask. If you ask Rita now, Rita never go ask. I don't just say Rita don't go ask is when he come abroad. He want to that they say I don't get my freedom from madam. No wonder when you pay your madam 2 times. Now you call the girl your freedom since 30 years. Lolekia when the day inside, she pretend as if she not the fuck. He say she not do a shewo, whereas she do. She do. She cause say she not do. Just to lie. Eh? Abi, Rita never go as Abi. You see? Now you see they see Mate, they talk to people. I know say Rita never go as. Only my jowa. It dey her body. I'm not sure. She never go as. Oh, Rita, I go feel where. Oh, me Joanne, you hear me, they blast that idiot. I know they block and they watch me as one. You understand? So Rita never go house. That one I just a share room 011 abi. Lolekia the room 011. It do the fool accept they go for all platform now. They lie. Audio now they play. I never see a place go you use 5 years they play audio. Audio not they get heads. The worst part my people. Lolekia go they play audio. $sign no go see. Broke ass people where they follow them. Broke ass. All their ass dry. Nothing they inside their yash. Broke ass people. If you see the cost if you pull €5, you go say, oh, thank you, ma. Thank you. Broke ass people. Broke ass people now they follow Lolekia. People they broke rich inside inus. They broke rich inside inu. How many times Lolekia don't do video my people now cause he say he get €300, €500, 1,000. Shebuna see that time Monica even break record 3,000 be 3,500 that year for her birthday. Mona see the look oh. If he doesn't see say birthday don't reach, he go say 50 mighty audio day when he want play. He made time I don't want wesha. He made time almost to fear bivako. He must below your skin. If a bomana bole Lolekia skin. Oh, if a must below your skin Lolekia and useless Rita. He can't go Rita platform they go they call. You can't go Rita. Now you they call me peace. Wow, fear too. I born call me peace. They don't fire you now. So why won't you respect yourself? My people, you can't go they call for Rita platform. I said they gang up and down. I share one area. I see one area. Room 001. Room 011. Not be 00, right? Room 011. He can't carry brother enter there with kissing. He don't hear camera now. I make him fear. Because if he reach now, judge, court don't talk, or judge or lawyer don't say, oh God, you don't have this hotel. We need so camera and so date. Sister, no, if you go tell them, make the delete. You know, say, the way now you take kiss, the way now you take go fuck for them, we will all see all of them. In fact, go when you call punish Lolekia camera, go you decide the room. The total they say don't verify, we will you see where and will our year a fake account. We will use a publisher. They go. We will the share and they go. We will the share and they go. Because you the share people own as well. Now she come quickly run now. Don't hear cut. He say, let's go there. Let's go the fear and one killer for there. Because me no say, what they call a particular, brother, a deck bagby. What they call fall and get up. That one not get where they follow Lolekia they go. So we don't need to just waste our time for that. If the day you're rich, that one go tell Lolekia, go yourself. I'm at home waiting for you. Eh, no, Pierre, if na prison, they say me you go. Ready to face him. Yes. Me no say that man Laribe no go follow Lolekia go court. Ah, wallahi, satabila. That Laribe is not follow Lolekia to anywhere. He say Lolekia to be safe. This my lady, they ask question well. You not hear when they say Lolekia TOT me balabala waiting motor sword don't fight. So you never hear. They say he made balabolo. He say he no do a say we no do a shewo. People when even do a she self to self see get vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin D gbogbo. Lolekia o not get bitter leaf. Wetin he get na vinegar when they give Jesus Christ. Vinegar, they call her. The most bitter and bitalistic. Where am you? Oh, you woman say bitter leaf better pass. That's why you horo. I love woman. Why not go horo? Person when they say if he dey in the mood, he go they look for a boyfriend when he fuck and well. He go leave him man for corner. Cause that one, that one don't fair get power. That one go wear bulletproof jackets. He go wear parasuit. He go wear all the see me when he all singlets, all the boy. If you know where Laribe lads you. When I start to that this matter sister, whether Laribe now don't run leave Lolekia, you can't say. If it be say Laribe now don't go rent your house, leave him and the children for that house. It can be because sometimes I talk like this, I see vision prophecy. May not be say what I talk or call to pass my people. Because if Laribe just say don't really go involve court. And the day when they go call Lolekia go now bottle for head if you not follow and go. This man can just say, my dad, they go work. I will be me. You know where his friend go take hang for one Igbo woman has last time. When Lolekia go UK, call they look for the man like who lost. Lolekia call they look for the man up and down. Hey, they say they this place. They say they here. Now one Igbo woman suffer put her for under of his leg. Now he press Laribe for under there. And do I call Laribe? Laribe, they say you did this hotel. I call Laribe. Laribe, magi me call. Laribe, where you there? When he come finally, he come outside because of his children. Sister wants snap picture. Laribe because of he do like this. He come do like this. Laribe because of he eye. Because anything made that Igbo woman catch and say he laugh. He happy for one snap picture. Okay, for you don't finish. Then because if you do like this, because they head for back of Lolekia back. Because if you don't say if Lolekia don't go back to Netherlands, they can't beat with that woman go beat her. They say UK women. Their head they hot like say tomorrow no day. Laribe no get hand. They don't get let to follow the woman fight. Laribe can't hide. Laribe can't hide when he snap the picture finish. He better say when he snap the picture finish, Laribe be tell him make not post am o. He better say Laribe tell him make he not post am. He can't go see go post am. That he can't provoke Laribe well. Because mama when he did there go say Laribe when he tell Laribe, he no go laugh. Because anything make Laribe laugh. You know now when person they happy now when he see family, see children, he go there, oh my darling wife, my darling kiss. Oh, fear not let Laribe try him that time. Ooh, kukuruku. He won't die. He no both. Many of you feel remember this picture when they talk about so. He could go hide. You know both show face. You know both smile for that picture. It a verse. You understand? You know both smile. Now because all those kata don't the time when this Lolekia de Netherlands, the man they happy. The man is the happiest man on the earth, the world. The man is happy. Because waiting Lolekia, they do that man. When you come to Netherlands, when he be say, you come there. When you come there, the man be you happy. When you see friend, when you the carry and they go. The man, you be like, oh, they paradise. Yours the jolly. But when the matter take call, hey! The man, oh, no choice. You know now, when you don't have choice. Lolekia no let the man rest. He said, better decide now before I call disgrace you there. No, pretender must be the worst. And as I say, he pretender. When she call carry my video that time, You know, pretend. Now, she call the phone, say she dey pretend. Now, she call the claim good Samaritan. The time when they mad, that time for social media, nothing like pretend. The worst part, we don't know about her. When she carry matter, she know they leave her. If Lolekia carry matter, you know they leave her more. He go talk. Now, he call the phone, say in a sense, in a good person. When he carry my video, now what she write put now tell no say na dangerous human being. Who no beg you money, who no beg you penny, I no beg you for makeup, I no beg you for lipstick. Talkless of laughing at me. The way she take compose the thing right if you read down yourself, if now you want hang yourself. She's a trouble somebody. Pretend that they hide, they do her own. Who come out do you is more better than who come out do you. If you want to see come out deal with them, you just see deal with them, you go finish. But who they hide, they do. Now it was pass. Now it was pass. Lolekia wicked that time. When they talk about breaches, now I can see my ancient people. When I not my how, Lolekia the beast. No, you say Papa Wala talk and say na Jezebel. No, I say that man probably here come as I call talker because say to defend Monica. No. Jezebel. Now she be. Jezebel. Now she be pretender. She bad, she wicked. Person if you carry my video, he my enemy. Send her. That time who send her? Who send her that time? When they cause breaches of Baika. When they say the Baika offended. Our friends say make they keep the matter. He say lele yo. No your talker. If you don't say no go follow me join. Rest. No talker say make I leave them. We not here at that time. Now don't be good person. At the end now you can be good person. Now you can be Holy Mary, Mother of God. Now you can be saint, pretender. Now I see so. Nobody pretend reach that woman. Ooh, nobody, my dear. Nobody pretend reach her. She full of pretend. When it comes to pretend, he go deceive you. Now see all the crew when he gather, my people. Shall now see crew when he gather. Naomi, this, that. Now see her. He get one when he get head. Will she not the same person that destroy everywhere? At the end, when they bring the audio call, they don't play the audio where they call they carry the audio, they play small parts of it. For people not to know what she did there. When time call they reach, when the fans call they seek for her attention, make she come outside. What did she tell them? She say Facebook don't block her for 1 week. Facebook block you for 1 week, and you have 2 Facebook accounts, 2 pages. When they block the big one, because they block the small one, they use people brain. You get to this thing. You know, guy, want be Facebook, not for you block your first page. You go you block your second page at the same time. Except only what that kind of thing can occur is when you post something that you don't follow the guideline of Facebook. When it comes to maybe all those kind of for set level, all those kind of level thing. Or they show her that they do wah. Maybe the man they do the woman they scream, all those kind of thing. You can't post her here, you can't post her here. And before they go post her, they'll quickly send you message. Or when you post her, when people don't they report say this video is not good, you have to quickly go there and remove it before Facebook will notice. Then when you remove her, you feel not get long blocking. But as far as that one not occur, my people, you not post bad thing, put for the 2 the same time. To Facebook, your content block. You want to say the blocker for 5 days, I'll be 1 week. Mona no verse. Then made me not come outside. Lie. She can lie. Thank you, Miss Joanne, my lady. She can lie for Africa. You have 2 Facebook. Say one is beauty, blah, blah, blah. And they use that one, they do video. Why can't you come out with that page and use it to apologize to your fans? She refused to do it because she don't want to do it. She don't want beg. What to not be. Fans is a good thing. When you have fans, even the one that commented, sometimes I still appreciate them. Don't say they are nothing. No, 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 no. They are human being. Spirit, not be spirit, they wash her. But she refused to do the apology. When I remember last year when they said this, that. What did I do? When my fans need my attention, say, you need to come out and speak. We want to hear from you. You need to respect them. You don't need to bring them down. You don't need to look there, so be all those ones I say, no. Except the bad one inside. Thank you, my dear, that she can lie. I come outside on YouTube. I apologize to my fans first. You write or you not write or they seek for your attention. Say you need to come out and explain to her. You hold them an explanation. And you come outside, even though it's not too long. Just tell your audience, tell your fans, say, sir, the thing transpired. Even though you don't go to the details, you will even see your fans there say, no, you don't need to explain more. We understand. That is fans. You need to appreciate them. You need to respect them. Not say, oh, be all those one better. No. Because she don't have respect. I come outside. I do apology my fans first. At the end, they will say angry. Say, which right me get to apologize to my fans? Say, me come on my fans, I call apologize to. Yes! They are number one. I apologize to them. They not understand. They not reason with me. Say, oh, now we understand what is really going on. That is the reason why we said you should come out and explain to us. Yes. Don't ignore them. Except they did seek for your permission. Thank you, my lady. I love you too, Ada. You understand? I said they did seek for your permission. Say, we back you up. We don't need. You don't hold anybody explanation. Your fans will say, we are your back. Don't explain to those idiots. You will not have your peace. Say, okay. They don't speak for you. Or they don't voice for you. But when they said, okay, we need your attention. Come and speak to us. We want to hear your own side. They want to hear your own side to defend you. That is fast for you. Not keeping them quiet. Not looking them like Mugu. Say who they be. Now, so she tell do the thing. This useless bitch not come outside. Apologize. At the end, they say that kind of person a better person. I tell be better person like that. I tell be good person. She's not a good person. Fans is good. Fans is number one. If they call their views more, they come out. Or they come to, but like all those ones, they insult me here now. Now, so they be. They must surely attack you. All those ones are small. They're back when I didn't start my video. They're the cause. It's normal. Many will love you, many will curse you, but sometimes because they like you. You understand? Why some will still get the hatred for you? Meanwhile, you don't get what you do, and she just hates you. Now you can't be that. But that doesn't mean that they are not human beings or you will not respect them. No. When I see if I enter now, they always greet them. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching from, this, that. Introduce yourself, greet them. Now we say, yeah, enter. Hey, saga continue. Either you want to do saga or you want to come and talk anything. Before you come and greet them and present yourself first. Then we greet you back. You understand? Not at the end, for me. Now, so it tell use form, it tell spoil everywhere. You want form, why you don't enter your house, go the form for them. If you want call the phone, yeah, phone, we not get head. We be say, she, you know, they lo leke ayansh. You are forming. And I get tired they use social media money do. Tomorrow they go sell for social media. And I get tired they use social media money do. Tomorrow you go sell for social media. And they not be person. That's why you go they curse everybody. Go by say you offender, everybody they offender. You know, say as I day now, if one person talk with you, no go, I go reply to that. If I don't want to reply, my fans go reply that person. That is it. Who wants to comment, go see comment, who wants to appreciate how you find you did this? No man, it's good thing. But she don't appreciate. And anybody that don't appreciate somebody is no good. That person is a devil. You know they appreciate person. KFC. You know they appreciate people. You they pay their internet, you they feed them. If you be madam for yourself, sit down inside your heart and be madam yourself there. If you want to phone, you too know. Then nobody fit talk to you. Tell you what were useless lolekia. Sit inside your house. Then make if they lie for now. If they come outside, I want to call the lie for. They go they verse me. Because fans will can't look you. Sometimes they want to hear positive things in waiting go be said they will still give the joy, or when you still present the thing, they will still pick one or two reasons for that. You will call the lie. Now made me come and say yesterday they caused that Africa German last lady. People don't know why. Because that word when they talk, so people go call get fear. Many people go say, oh, so you're there now when you get the time, say, oh, I will go do my passport now. Thank you, my dear. I'll go do my passport now. You put fear for their body. All those who are not going to know where to start. Many will all confused. Yes. Many will all confused. They will not know where to start from. They will all believe it. Meanwhile, it's not true. Meanwhile, it's not true. That time, the time when supposed to do a good thing, you go mislead them. Go to the do another thing. Oh, hey, body, good morning, my darling. How you doing? I welcome you. That make you see me. So if they lie, especially that African last lady, if he lie, they can't disgrace her. People don't know why. Because about that passport when she said it yesterday, I went to go and check European, check everywhere. Not many people because they called in yesterday, they talk about her. Anyway, you love my makeup. Which one can be any way for inside? Just appreciate it. Beautiful. Thank you. Which one can be any wig? Yeah, so this one are the makeup where they laugh me die and say I not sabi makeup. Now be I call they do. And when I see they do this one, I say, not take me hours. Oh. It don't take me hours. You see? It don't take me hours. Now make nothing person nothing do for this life. When you say you want to really do it, when you put your effort and your time, you will do it. Yes. I learn on YouTube. I learn from many platforms. When I really put seriousness, I understand and it called they quick me. You see? Like before, if I want to do makeup, it will take me 100 years. But now, they quick. If you want to learn, go YouTube, go our platform. Now you don't learn. Buy the instrument, you buy the things, you go sabi do. You understand? So they don't like truth. When you are saying the truth, you go to verse them. Good morning, you are welcome, my dear. You go to verse them. Which is very, very bad. He can't lie. They lie when he lie yesterday, Africa last day. That he touched me and say, what? Now you they lie like this? Like seriously? Thank you, my lady. Like seriously? You they lie. So many people call yesterday, say, so people they do for France, oh, they do for Holland, oh, they even do for Germany here. Oh, what if I as I hear the video yesterday, I not talk put and I not do research, I call keep up. You think that people go call give their own opinion and call say the truth for where the truth is? No. They will not come and say the truth. They will not come to even call it. That's to help people. We are doing this thing. As for me, not like lie. When you follow me all the time, when you follow me on social media, I cannot see this thing is black. I will say now red. I know the door because my mind don't go rest. He said it. I better say it the way it is. I get peace. Then I'll call the lie. When I all know say this thing I lie, I'll call the lie. And then you now go and find out that I'm lying. Hey, Jimmy. You better say I shit peace for body. Yes. So that's the reason why I come out of disgrace. Don't mislead people. No, beg people head. Go another place. People that if you don't have, you don't have. Don't come and deceive people. Don't come and use your to disturb people. Don't use your reggae to disturb people. Bruise. You don't get. Not be so another person not go fit do booklet not there. More than ask Africa last day the way for here booklet matter. The one when call shock me says since last year. Meanwhile, I know two people, man, woman, when he do. The man, he want do marriage. The woman want born. When man can go Holland, did not take him hours. When they take do the passport, come back to Germany. So that one I call weak me say, what? This woman they lie like this? They lie like this? People don't see book yesterday. As I talk yesterday, may they go check online. Book. When you book, your time reach, go there. They will not ask you questions. So far, the necessary thing, pack and follow Bodzi. He say, Switzerland, I got there. Now, €500. You see human being. One I will tell no say I lie they talk. He say, make they call today head note. Abia they call him. Make it call it like KG. Today egg notes. Make it the color. Make it call it like KG. Now I will tell no say this one don't they lie again. What all those one want to? Before you hear anything, when they bring some rumor, information or so they read some news. My darling people, don't believe some of them. Before you will believe, go and do research yourself. You know, say me when they touch you, so that me be bad person. My darling men and women, no believe, oh. German do this, German not do that, France do this. Before you believe, tell them to tell you where they see the news. There's one news he talk one day. It was a live video. She did live video. That person right and say, this is fake news and old news as well. In fact, this one are old news. Old news. If they bring and call say, you happen. No. Now the person has to say, when you forget the news, you know both talk where you forget the news. You know both talk say, go so sites. Go check, you go see the news there. You know both talk. Because the person don't catch and say, nah, lie, they lie. So when you hear some news on social media, please, before you believe, or your head go call the heavy, you go they say, what? God, why? You go they hold your head, they say, God. No need for that. Go and do research. Now make we see Google, we see it, we get internet, we get online, we get many places to get response, the right news from. Go there. Go there, go and check. Hello. Hello, my lady. Read that video with Facebook. Yeah. Okay. Okay, my lady. Okay, the best. Is it Bonnie and him Luta? Because okay, with it here.
You think Jama language lie like the lie like go you know I think this the way you say journey passport they don't bring to passport for Nigeria embassy. Passport where my friend just go do a free state. Passport where my friend go do a free state.
Okay.
You just show you don't really get documents. You don't really get documents.
Yes, my mama go call the lie. Yes, my mama go call the lie. Like this go the lie. Oh. Yes, now because they say they go somewhere, they go holiday for summer, and walk on lie. You know if it deceive us. We be taught us. Or argue one.
You die from.
Now they say thunder way go kill like they do press up. A thunder no get like boy. Or we press up. I say that so me laugh.
I said this one I did because you don't get the document.
So you know you want it for them. My lady don't know you want it for them. He say, but the man they back like that for background. The woman say, even the country say they don't even suffer me with document like this. I regret why I come from. I say this woman. As I don't know, you give me a you go there, you shook her for it. The thing you they will love me for Bele. Jesus.
Then Nigeria passport.
You know your English when he speak. You know your English when he speak to the see people. He say booklet. Now when I hear booklet, he say Nigeria they hold money. Now I make German, I make embassy not get booklet. Not see Ishe. What boomerang? Am I dreaming? Please. Hey! Why they not go walk?
You don't do passport. Just last the one because they don't get documents.
They don't get documents. Jesus. Some are thought they call. If they find way, one quickly cover up.
Yes.
Hey.
You don't get documents. That makes you like,
my sister.
Maybe some people want to Nigeria about the story.
Let me they talk. Egbe do wenya.
Oh,
Hey, my God. My God.
if I say this summer, they'll go exam. So now I don't say no, still like to do. Then make it come and say, make I send this video to Naija blog. Make I send the video to this one. Now let it now.
Hey.
Nigeria passport, if you want to collect your passport, if you go to passport there, if you want to collect it immediately, you pay 150 euros.
Yes.
If you don't want to collect it immediately, they'll give you an appointment.
Appointment, nah. Appointment, book online. If you want to pay online, you can pay online. It day now.
Yes.
We check. Before me come today, I check her. Now me tell you say na lie. This woman they lie.
You don't know what you want to tell us we travel.
Hey.
Then make that day, you know that day when they come out, when they say you want the document. You know the document is show that they need no.
No, na hospital card. No, mom, if you look at where the one when the first show na AOKA hospital card for Jama here.
Yes.
The second one when he show now 2 years document when he died for Italy. You know, say no both show the this thing because Italian Jama document is different from Italy document. When you see the difference is clear. So you know say we go no say na Italian document when it don't expire when they say one old or you both do for at that time. When dog bell, not bell, the document don't die. Now you come by show her like this. Why you not show us the picture when the days I forget that woman?
No, I'm not sure that I don't have to remember why they say that. I don't have the 60 days.
They do bad things. Oh, they do.
There's nobody say I don't get up with it. I don't do that come back. So you play.
Yeah, waiting there inside. Now like she they lie. If you see all the old one when you fabric, okay. You know how now when you can see the green and yellow for the background. People write and then. That day when she was alive, you don't say people they write and this one a hospital card, this one a hospital card. People write and oh liar. Liar. Hi, Jesus. Oh, go. You need to do video. That woman, when I tell her, say that woman too loud, now say I they lie. Oh, lie, reach that woman.
You know, that many more that first like they're not from your gunshot at the
at the end, the cock of first come outside by themselves. God bless you.
Later, that will come to say, my lie is a lie. He come by himself, use the map. He want to talk at the central.
You want to tell the story. Hi, that woman, when I they drink ogogoro, I don't know. If they drink ogogoro. You know, yeah, one fair talk when they do video before Mama Gladys call reply them. He say, when your husband take gas, they waiting for road walk. Now they take give the man a document. As they can't give the man a document, now the man take give them. Time come see rich again. He say na lawyer fight their document. We don't call no one. We go. I beg. That one. I beg.
One of my friends wey because he like our women. You can see the issue when they say for this one when they call live.
No be only you. That one when they do when they talk about it, they call for Italy. One no get when they talk say I ain't like that one check another one say, oh no. We fear no fear those people. Who like rich not dey my sister? Oh, not talking about it. And he go imagine do like red. Jesus.
I mean, Nigeria they work for all the countries.
Let me tell them. When let me tell them, my lady, thank you. You don't know like because say they go for summer, whereas every summer no the bell. He said we are they all locked them down here. They all locked them. That woman they brat, they all locked them down. My sister, you don't see where person for they ready for trip. Even the Nigerian embassy book an appointment for you. You never get your passport, you never buy tickets. Okay, we say you ready for trip, you don't buy tickets. How you take buy tickets? I don't know why some people they believe all those. Before you believe person, as me they as they talk and the reason and they follow you. You say you ready for trip, Nigeria passport you never get. Where do you take buy ticket? You say okay, only document when you get, not let you take travel. Okay, now only document can't take buy ticket. When you never even know when you want to get your Nigeria passport. I beg, he set it up. No, he set it up. Oh, did you? Oh, did you? I beg. It will lie. Aye.
Because you don't know what you want to tell us again. You don't really feel like. You also about to not get it. You say no lie.
He said you want to lie. Gladys not talking. Gladys have a time.
Gladys is better. Gladys is better.
Oh, Wally, in life he withdraw newborn baby for inside TOT. Oh, born baby. Oh, he want to go wow your mo when no. Tell never show want to come out to go we ever ladia. That woman lie. Jesus, if you remove a born baby for belly, the born baby go reach ground before he go no say months never reach to come down. That woman. Oh God. The worst part, the man go call the back or go call the do backing up. The man gonna play bass for the back. Una two. The man, he don't give me a go break that he half leg. The man they say, tell you, all of us, the woman want the mistake, say, me and my children. And later that the man say, all of us, you know, you imagine, whenever you come out, I say, God, they don't see plan work again. I say, don't see plan again. Oh God. How do they do this? What did they do there? If they pay them, she said, Bomaro. Oh God. Thank you, my lady. Thank you. All right. Now, boss, you want to take visit, go France. Me, Joa, laugh. Because I don't really understand what be those people problem. Crow, are you ready for a trip? The one we can't pay me by say booklet. He won't say booklet. Booklet. He said Nigeria the whole money. He said that the money when Nigeria government the whole Nigeria embassy booklet for ground. He's all those one, they too speak English. We need your number. We need your number. My number is +49. I bet let me write a comment. I'll also round up anyway. Now from 3 minutes, 4 minutes time, I'll round up. +49 1521 72 11194. Yeah. So guys, that's all my people. I thank you so much. I appreciate you a lot. Now I always tell you. There are some things you hear on social media. Please, you need to go and do research. You need to go and check and do research very, very well. Understand? We need to do research very, very well before you will call list to say, see what person they talk. Before you will call list to say, now so what he talk. You don't go mislead. They'll mislead the person, not consign them. So guys, look at the organic cream, guys. I love you all. I appreciate you all. Look at the organic cream. So if you need it, so you can add me on WhatsApp. My number here. Thank you, Miss Joanna. Thank you for writing it out. So now they say, very good, Oga. Oh yes, so I'll also round up now. Yes. So look at my soap, my black soap right here. This soap they sent, So look at it. So if you need, very good. Now they see my skin now they glitter. Understand? You understand? You see it? Okay, you too fast. You understand? You see, So that is it, guys. We'll also round up now. God bless you all. I appreciate you all. Thanks for coming and thanks for watching. I love you all. I appreciate you all. Lady J, thank you for calling. I appreciate all my fans all over the world. I thank you, I appreciate you all. God bless you. And God will continue to bless you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming around. And thank you for being here. And thank you for following my page. Please, if today is your first time, don't forget to follow my page, like my page, so that anytime you go see notification for your phone, bang, 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 I did on live video. So anytime, any day, try to follow me. God bless you all. I appreciate you all. Missy, Mommy Hope, all of you. I appreciate all of you. God bless all of you. Thank you very much. I'm about to go right now. Yes. Let me go and relax a little bit, guys. So if you need this thing, organic cream, just let me know. Yes, it's very good, and the human hair as well. Oh, we want to go. Just 2 minutes. I don't want to take again. Hello, I beg 1 minute or 2 minutes. I want to round up. So.
Okay. Savera, good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I beg this Jama first lady something. I don't understand that. They say the passport not there available. The thing confuse me.
Okay.
Because me not understand now. Me go soon go do passport. They say they do. I don't understand. Please, my sister, explain to me.
They say no booklet say for Germany, for France, no way. Only where space come there na Switzerland, and when you go there na 500 euro. Now you go take do one person. Your 6 of them now will be 3,000. Where for see that kind of money? Say Italy, Nigeria, they hold money. Say now make Nigeria no fit get booklets. So now I say if not 10 years Nigeria take home money, when pass away to another mass land, they're not the word. They don't get booklet.
What concern Nigeria home money concern booklet?
Okay.
Booklet not be paper.
Ask me.
I don't understand. Wait, so now money when Nigeria they hold, now they produce paper.
Say
paper. What concern the booklet concern paper? I don't understand.
Okay.
That's what we say. When me hear the thing when they talk, and the thing don't sound so strange for my ear. I don't understand. I say which one be this package again?
Okay.
I think they say they not be Aduro that day now. I think Gabi say they not punch up Aduro. Me, I think say they don't become citizens. So I was just surprised. I can't see for Facebook saying they find Nigerian citizens. He regret to be Nigerian. We Nigerians, we dey shame for her to be our citizen.
God bless you.
We are proud to be Nigerians. She's a crazy woman.
God bless.
How dare she saying the shame to
call
be
for
a Nigerian? Now, are you doing better than Dangote?
Oh, ask me.
You reach people when they say they higher profile for that country.
God
forget the corruption.
It get where corruption not there, my sister.
If you see, if they talk of people where they do well for the whole Africa country, Nigeria,
number one.
Go to artists, go to the richest people in the world.
Actress, artist, you don't talk a finish. Name them.
People when they visit, they are even well to do. They are proud to be in Nigeria. You will become okay. Now you they say you tell you say I can't be ashamed to be in Nigeria. I can't be ashamed to be in Nigeria. I beg who you help. You be in Nigeria, you not be in Nigeria. Who you help? No, either they talking to Germans, made them for quick give a citizenship.
Yeah, now today first start that one.
Like that.
Story.
Nothing like that. Why people not they use their common sense? Me, I'm proud to be in Nigeria.
Thank you, my darling.
Even if I go take citizenship for another country.
But you are still from there. They said no.
Even if I go take citizenship for another country, even if I go take citizenship for this Germany, but I'm still proud to be in Nigeria. They're proud for a country. No matter what. No matter what.
When I say bien
we not say corruption full everywhere for that
everywhere,
country.
Not get where not there.
You know better rich people where they did that country where they do well.
Thank you.
The husband where they do backup. He rich out of Davido people.
Ask me if they talk of Davido, you not talk of Bossa where they follow Davido, they go.
I bet wait, sister. Davido na American citizen, but tell me where is the state part.
God bless you.
Where Davido the base part. Now dual citizen IEP.
Yes.
But where he prefer to stay?
Nana
so tell me where Davido they stay. Not be the Nigeria. Why you not relocate? Go America. You will not even join. You not join back when. You not join Omo. You not join what did they call
detergents.
You not join detergent. If you come on mangi, white mangi, you not join. Now you they say I shame to be in Nigeria. God, why you make me to be in Nigeria? Women won't come out for that your mouth, so you say they talk nonsense. See you where they see they are not proud to be in Nigeria. See your leg for grand. See leg where they grand.
It be like this meat. Grass cutter where don't take for side bush. For forest.
Are you crazy? I never hear say now because of money, now they make go come accept booklet. I don't understand.
Oh, I hear the water about it.
I don't understand. That woman do the run amount to Berlin. Berlin is one of the best
embassy
where they Berlin. That be the best. For the whole place when we don't know, I know say embassy day. Berlin, you go embassy, go collect passport. Now that day when you do your passport, now that day they will give you.
Now everybody don't know say she the line.
Make it go Rome, make it go see a Rome, they treat citizens.
People.
Make it go.
God bless
make
you.
Make it go see how they treat citizens for there. If they cause voice nonsense. Now all this one, now they spoil their country.
Yes. Yeah.
Now they spoil them because you dey find favor. You dey find favor.
And I'm saying not get what they use a favor do, they not they help them. But now they use part of the find favor. That's so they be.
Now so they talk.
Like
but today now, you dey call the voice rubbish for Facebook. Nonsense person. Nonsense. You don't know what they use the useless passport they do.
What we call it?
Passport they go. Dangote, Whiskey, Burna Boy, big people. You better pass them. Wow.
Oh, yeah, wow.
I tell my sister, I leave you.
Thank you, my lady. All right, bye. Thank you, my lady. Yeah, bye. Yes, so my people. Be at the tell now before I go believe all those their story. Go and do research, because they go use their own taste spoil you. We gonna let them use their own taste spoil our own Jesus name. Before I come outside yesterday, I do research because I don't want to come outside. I can't talk what I don't know. I don't need this sort. Not come outside talk what you don't know. Liar. All right, my beautiful people. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. I love you all. I'm about to go now. Bye. See you some other time. All right, guys. Bye.